Using the broiler chicken like I am, I do not need to boil it. It cooks really fast. So I'm just going to marinate it with garlic and ginger. I'm just going to take a little bit from what I have. I added half a tablespoon of the pilau masala and marinate the chicken and set it aside for about 30 minutes. I also added a little bit of salt to it. So if you are using the kienyeji chicken or the tough chicken, then you just do this step, but boil your chicken all together with all these ingredients that you just put in there. Now, as that is setting aside, deep fry or shallow fry your potatoes. So just put enough oil in your pot or sufuria or non-stick pan, just enough that you'll use, and cook your potatoes until they are brown. As you can see here, this will help give them this beautiful flavor, and it also helps them not break as you cook your rice. And if you do not wish to deep fry your potatoes, you can always skip that step. So next I'm going to add in my chicken pieces, and I'm deep frying them or shallow frying them, and this gives it that beautiful crisp on the skin and even beautiful flavor, and that's why I prefer to shallow fry mine. So if you have boiled your chicken, you can do this step and you'll see a very big difference. So once your chicken is crisp, as you can see here, set it aside, and